Hi, Lee Casano here from reprintwritesbiz.com. New, the complete booklet library series, now by instant download or on CD-ROM. Sell booklets by mail. Over 1,000% profit. Bonus, full and unlimited reprint rights and a free copy of this exact webpage. Dear fellow entrepreneur, how would you like to find cash, checks, and money orders for $5, $12, $16, even $69.95 in your mailbox each day? And especially if you could keep all the money because you were the supplier, and even better, getting instant online orders for the same. If so, let me introduce you to a set of money-making booklets that can be reproduced on any copier for just pennies each. And even better, they are now in digital format, so you can sell them online, or you can fill orders right from your computer's printer or sell CD-ROMs. Every copy you produce will be a brand new laser sharp copy. Bonus, each product also comes beautifully printed in PDF format as well as Microsoft Word. They work on all computers. Formatting is permanently locked and saved in PDF in case you need to change or enhance your Word versions. Over the years, thousands have made money at home selling information through the mail. Companies like Bonanza Trading Company, almost 100 years of selling booklets and reports by mail. Stu Caverly, over 40 years of mail order success publishing small reports and booklets like these. And I could fill these pages up with still more names. Make money instantly. You can sell these booklets simply by placing small, inexpensive classified or display ads in money-making publications. You can also add copies of this exact 20-page mini catalog when filling orders for similar products, and then look for the money to come rolling in after a while. Here's the secret to mail order success. These are the very orders I love getting. They help keep my savings account nicely padded. And now you can sell them online using a variety of techniques, including your own copy of the sales webpage. The complete booklet library and the Sell Reports by Mail catalog are two of my most successful mail order products. The complete booklet library sells for $69.95 by mail, and the Sell Reports by Mail catalog sells for $49. I have repeatedly gotten orders for $119.95 through the mail from these two offers. It just goes to show you that mail order dealers want their own products. They don't just buy one series, they buy both products every time. For the first time ever, I finally decided to let them loose the way I own them, in digital format, and sell them online. You get the complete booklet library catalog cover masters, plus all 15 booklets and their advertising. Plus, with the Sell Reports by Mail catalog, you get the main booklet catalog masters also, plus all 12 report products and their sales copy. The complete booklet library titles. Number 1, 79 businesses that you can start with little or no cash. Number 2, how to build a $1,000 a week mail order book business. Number 3, 200 excellent money-making opportunities for women. Number 4, 134 mail order success secrets. Number 5, how to make money buying and selling used cars and trucks. Number 6, how to acquire property with no money down. Number 7, how to make up to $30,000 or more annually with a mail forward series. Number 8, $1 million sales letters. Number 9, how to find work with the federal government. And number 10, how to sell information by mail and earn up to $8,000. Number 11, 64 ways to increase your mail order profits. Number 12, how to start a telephone answering service. Number 13, make $100 an hour making exclusive 3D photo figures. And number 14, how to start your own mail order business. Number 15, how to make money with recipes. Plus catalog masters, step-by-step marketing plan, and reprint rights form. The Sell Reports by Mail catalog titles. Number 1, keep $10 on every $10 order. And number 2, Fill your mailbox full of cash buyers' names for free. How to make money with your answering machines, number 3. Number 4, 450 firms that offer work-at-home opportunities. Number 5, how to sell information by mail. Number 6, postcard profits. Number 7, 15 mail order plans you can sell. Number 8, instant money-making letter. Number 9, your money-making guide to government grants. And number 10, how to get rich in mail order as a circular mailer. Number 11, how to start a small printing business in your garage. Number 12, how to make a fortune with classified ads. Plus, catalog masters, step-by-step marketing plan, reprint rights form. Free reprint rights included. When you order any of these booklets, you get a certificate which makes you the prime source from then on in. No further payment to us of any kind will ever be needed. You're allowed to insert your own company name in each booklet as prime publisher. Full reprint rights means that you can sell individual titles or the complete series just like I am here with or without the reprint rights. Sell them any way you choose. Reprintable material has always been intended to give mail order dealers their own source of supply. With these rights, all cash orders come directly to you. You produce your own line of products. When you order this complete 15 booklets publishing series for only $69.95, you get this booklet-sized catalog along with it free. Everything here, including full reprint rights, for only $69.95. Save over $40. Full reprint rights means you can sell individual titles or the complete series, just like I am here with or without the reprint rights. Sell them any way you choose. Reprintable material has always been intended to give mail order dealers their own source of supply. With these rights, all cash orders come directly to you. You can produce your own line of booklets. When you order this complete 15 booklet publishing series for only $69.95, you get this booklet-sized catalog along with it free. Everything is here, including full reprint rights for only $69.95. Save over $40. When you order the Sell Reports by Mail series, 12 reports for only $49, you get the same. A booklet-sized catalog along with it free. Everything here, including full reprint rights for only $49. Save over $17. Now you can buy the complete booklet library series for only $67 in digital format for the first time ever by the date shown on the web page. You get the complete Sell Reports by Mail series thrown in absolutely free, a deal worth $178.95 face value, but with digital reprint rights it's worth far more. You'll be automatically set up to pull large cash orders daily. Keep as much as 95% of the profit on every full series order. Make hundreds of dollars weekly setting people up in their own instant publishing business with this ready-to-go product line. When I sell these by mail order, each booklet is shipped in flat sheet form, beautifully typeset along with its own advertising material. And you will receive a copy of this exact catalog format as well in digital format. Just insert your company or personal name. All that's needed is to print everything out on your computer's printer or on CD-ROM or in an instant download. Now you can sell these exact same products on CD-ROM or instant downloads. No paperwork, no extra printing cost, just pure digital profit. You also get an easy-to-follow marketing plan, complete with suggested advertising that will show you where to place small, inexpensive classified ads that will pull in lots of cash orders. Watch newcomers who are looking for a product to sell and a mail order business to start send you their money quickly, and experienced dealers as well are always looking to expand their existing product lines. Just follow the order form instructions on the opposite side of this page or the page and get started right away. Order this complete series today and have your own high-profit mail order business instantly. Give the catalog away for free to interested prospects, or run small cash-generating ads for one of the enclosed booklets. Include a copy when filling orders and watch envelopes full of cash come rolling back. Here's how to become a mail order publisher instantly. Order the complete booklet publishing series by date shown on the web page, and you get all 15 booklets with full reprint rights, your own money-making catalog, a complete step-by-step marketing plan. Bonus, get the complete Sell Reports by Mail series thrown in absolutely free. Now if you buy the complete booklet library series for only $67 in digital format, offered for the first time ever by the date shown on the web page, you get the complete Sell Reports by Mail series thrown in absolutely free, a deal worth $178.95. Face value, but with digital rights is worth far more. Everything above for only $67. Save over $109. Your name will be the only one displayed in your new catalog, except for a small copyright notice up front, which must stay for protection. Put your name in each booklet as prime publisher. With this deal, you will be automatically set up to begin making huge mail order profits. Plus, this series is designed to sell everywhere because of the wide variety of titles. Order today. Yes, I want to start my own high-profit mail order business immediately with a complete booklet library publishing series. Please rush all 15 booklet masters, catalog masters, and a complete step-by-step marketing plan, including full reprint rights to everything on the CD-ROM or the instant download. I'm ordering before, see the date on my webpage, so please include my bonus product, the Sell Reports by Mail series, which also comes with camera-ready catalog masters and all 12 reports including full and unlimited reprint rights. Everything is camera-ready in digital format on CD-ROM or instant download also. I understand that I can sell these booklets separately or as a complete series or any way I wish with no further payment or royalties to anyone. Bonus, I'm ordering within 10 days, so please include a copy of the Shopping Guides of the USA. Lists over 300 community shopping papers that I can start running low-cost classified ads in within as little as a week. Bonus, free copy of the same exact web page to sell with like I use. I understand that my credit card will be charged a one-time fee of $67, instant download, or $79 for the CD. Go to my web page and order now using PayPal secure server at https://reprintRightsBiz.com/booklets. Again, only $67 instant download or $79 for the CD. Or mail your order. Mail $79 cash, check, or money order to our address below. Be sure to include your email for fast order confirmation as well as your complete mailing address so that we can send your order right away. Send order to Lee Cusano, 8611 Grand Bay, Wilmer Road South, Lot 29B, Grand Bay, Alabama 36541. Go here to order at reprintRightsBiz.com/booklets or see the link below my video.